How to earn online with BoloUp app. I have made countless withdrawals from this app and I'm still withdrawing and still doing my daily tasks. Are you a stay-at-home mom, a 9 to 5 worker, a student, or you're just looking for a side hustle? This app is for you. This app will not distract you from doing your daily activities you're doing. And it won't disturb you as a stay-at-home mom. It won't disturb you as a student. All you need to do is to watch this video to the end and also join this app because it's easy way to earn online. Please, the only way to support me is to like this video, share this video, comment, and also subscribe. In the first 7 days in this app, you'll be given $3.5. Subsequently, you'll be given 1,000 diamond. In order to join this app, all you need to do is to go to the Play Store or iOS. Download BoloUp app. Download BoloUp app. After downloading, you register. Register with your email or phone number or whichever you prefer. After registering, the next thing you do, you go to the section on your profile where you see to become a host or host. Just look for where you see host. Input the ID number you see on the screen. Once you input this ID number, you input this ID number to enable you see your tax. When you input this ID number, face verification will pop up. Do your face verification. Make sure you do it in a very bright place. After your face verification is being done, you're being approved. Then the next thing you do, you head onto the section where you see room. Create a room. You click on create a room. You choose the chat option. Choose the chat option, meaning audio. Then you input your room title. You can write, welcome to my room. You input avatar of your choice, which is your picture. You can input your picture. Once you have input your picture, you put your room title. You click on chat option. Once the room is created, you are doing your task. The next thing is to focus on the timer. Once the timer counts from 0 to 100, you click and claim the first 2,500 diamond. When the second hour is complete, you click and claim the 5,000 diamond. Then after the 7 days, subsequently, you'll be earning 1,000 diamond for 1 hour. And they have different withdrawal available in this app, which they have PalmPay, Direct Bank, ePay, USDT, anyone you want to withdraw with. Please, my darling, if you have watched to this extent, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video. If you have any other question, please drop it on the comment section. I will respond. And also, if you have downloaded and registered and you want my attention in your panel or inside the app, the ID number you input in the host section is my ID number. Search for this ID number in the app. Come to my panel and ask me a question or send me a direct message also in the app. I will respond. Please, my darling, the only way to support me is to like this video, share, comment, and also subscribe.